Hello, this is a really quick video because this thing has just come out on YouTube. There's a new feature on YouTube called Title A/B testing, and I've literally just been offered it. It's just appeared on my YouTube Studio dashboard, so I wanted to share it with you to show you what it looks like, just so you can see what might be coming up for your channel if you haven't been offered this yet. I went into one of my videos. I can show you now. If I hit on edit, suddenly at the bottom of the box where you type in the title, and every YouTube video needs a title, can you see this icon here? It says A/B testing, and when I clicked on this for the very first time, I got this message. Title A/B testing. Now, A/B testing is where YouTube tries out multiple titles for your YouTube video. Up until now, we could only give our YouTube videos one title at a time. Now we can give the same video multiple titles and YouTube will offer them. You've been granted early access to YouTube's new Title A/B testing feature, designed to help creators compare the performance of titles just beyond thumbnails. Bear in mind, the feature is still in development, so there might be some bugs with this at time of recording. I know you're watching this in the future, hopefully you have this now. By using the A/B testing tool, you'll grant YouTube permission to collect and analyze performance of titles. We may suspend access to this beta feature anytime. So then I clicked try now, and this is what came up. It already had my first title in the first box, which meant that I could try a second title. So that would be the A/B testing. There's a A version of the title and a B version, and I think it hasn't explained it yet here. I'll see if there's an explanation as we go along. But if it's like the thumbnail test, YouTube would split offering each title to a different viewer, so that if the video thumbnail was shown, say, 100 times, 50 viewers would be shown one title and 50 viewers would be shown the second title. But it doesn't stop there. There's a third title down here, which kind of makes it ABC testing, doesn't it? But anyway, so I've tried different titles for this how to hide an Instagram post video. All I had to do was type in the titles. You get 100 characters for a title anyway. And then these are my 3 titles. So all we need to do now is go down to the set test button down here. And it says the test is ready and will start once you save your changes. So we go up to the save button, hit save. There, changes saved. When you see the video in details in YouTube Studio, it shows you the first title, so it's not that confusing. But there's also this icon here that says A/B test running, so it shows that you have other tests running. Now that indication blocks the preview of the description, but that's okay because at least you know there's a test running. I have to say, this only seems to be working for YouTube on a desktop. In the app, while the test is running, I don't know if you can see that, it says A/B test running. You don't seem to be able to edit the title in the YouTube Studio app while the A/B test is running, so you might want to bear that in mind. I'm sure this will all change after the testing, after the beta test of the A/B title testing. So what do you think? Is this something that you would use? I'm a little bit leery of it because I've been waiting for this for about 10 years. And the fact that we can try out different titles on the surface is really exciting. But what I found with the thumbnail A/B testing, I don't know if you're the same, I was waiting for it for years, and when it came, I tried it a couple of times, and then I'm so used to having a favorite thumbnail anyway. It's a gut instinct, and it's also how I want my thumbnails to look. Even just opening up YouTube Studio, I want the thumbnails to look how I want them to look. So it's probably not very scientific or rigorous, but creatively, I found that the A/B testing has actually pushed me more towards committing to a thumbnail. But what's your experience? Do you use the thumbnail testing? Say hi in the comments below. Is YouTube video title A/B testing a game changer for you? Is it something that you'll use? And thank you for watching this little preview. I don't usually do quick turnaround videos like this. If this video is helping, thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going and to keep exploring different experiments and tips and tricks on YouTube. Talking of which, right here are all of my YouTube tips and tricks videos. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your YouTube channel.